Hello everyone. In this tutorial we are looking how to append start or how to open a Naviswork file in the Naviswork manage software. Okay, I am using here Autodesk Naviswork manage software 2024. Okay, this will be the user interface when we start a Naviswork software. Okay, here we can see home tabs, also viewpoints, reviews, animation, view, output, beam 360, glue tabs and render tabs. Okay, to append a Naviswork file to the Naviswork manage software, we have to export the Revit model to the NWC or NWD format, that is which is compatible with the Naviswork format. Okay, we all know that BIM has the ability BIM tools has the ability of interoperability. That means we can operate different types of software, different types of models in different types of software, so that uh, how we can export or how we can uh, exp export a Revit model to a Naviswork. That is the first thing that we want to do to work in a Naviswork software, that we have already modeled the project in Revit. Then we want to check the clash, also we want to set the timeline, or we want to check the quantifications. Also we want to coordinate with the other models, other department model like MEP systems, like electrical, mechanical, plumbing, fire. Okay, so first we want to export the project which is modeled in Revit software, Autodesk Revit software. So first we have to export the model from Revit to NWD or NWC format. First we will look how to export this model from this type of file from Revit. Okay, I start this is a model that is presented in the Revit software. Okay, that is a 3D model. And I have opened the 3D model view, so I close the sheet cover sheets. Yeah. So if you want to export a 3D Revit model, you have to set a view which have to be 3D view which have to be exported to a Naviswork file format. Okay, first I already set this model. Okay, so next I want to export this Revit model to an NW Naviswork format model. Okay, for that I will go to the file tab. Okay, then export. Here we can see NWC model, NWC format. Okay, also we can also go to the add-ins, then in add-ins tab, and there is an external ribbon which has external tools. If we click external tools, we will have two options: Naviswork Switchback 24 or Naviswork 24. Okay, in some cases this may not be present in the Revit software. Then how we will export this Naviswork Revit model to a Naviswork for file format? Okay, for that just go to the Autodesk. uh, okay, Autodesk okay, Autodesk desk site, or just go Google it. Naviswork, Naviswork exporter for Revit 2020. Okay, then we will get this link. Okay, Naviswork exporter link. Then we can go to the Naviswork file export utility. Okay, click here. Okay, here download freedom Naviswork. There are three format of Naviswork, which are the Naviswork freedom, which is Naviswork stimulate, and Naviswork manage. If we want to just view the model, 3D model, and then we can use Naviswork freedom. It is completely free, but you can't, and we can check the clash detections or take reviews. That type of work is not possible in Naviswork freedom. But if you want to check the clashes and other works, if you want to do the other works like timeline or setting, okay, then we have to choose the Naviswork manage. Okay, so I will go to the Naviswork NWC file export utility. Then you can select the version and click the link. Then it will get downloaded, and if after downloading, just install it. It is free. Okay, then this external tool will appear here in the add-ins tab. Okay, and also this in export section, file export section, the NWC exports format will also will appear. Okay, first then how we will export? Just click the external tool Naviswork 2024. Okay, and then we will just select the file format and file name and file format. If we click all file or NWC file, then NWC. If this file is a collaborative or collaborative file, that means if we saved in a central model and it is a published file in the BIM 360, it will be a .nwd type of file. Okay, this is a local file, so this is NWC file. Okay, also we can also set the Naviswork setting export settings. If we click, it will have Naviswork option editor Revit, and if we can choose the different for different options here, and this will include and exclude the things that we selected. Okay, I just keep it in default settings. Okay, then I will select save. Okay, and yes, work file. Okay, save. This will take some time. Okay, folder in your Revit files. Okay, cancel. Okay, I just close the Revit and I will start in Naviswork now. So I want to append, or I want to import that file to this Naviswork manage file. Okay, then how we can achieve that? It is very simple. We can achieve by appending, and in the project home tab, in the project section, in here append, we can append the file. Okay, I'll go back to Revit file where it is not presented here, so just go back to file. Okay, okay, Revit file. It is not here. It is not here. Okay, it is here. Okay, NWC file. Okay, I will go to append again. Already NW file, change to NWC. Okay, okay, open. Then the file will appear here. Okay, we can just look the 3D view of this file. Okay, we can also views, we can also set the cube. Okay, if you select something, we can check the 3D view in three-dimensional space. Okay, also we can also just no chance, or viewpoints. Okay, we can set the perspective view types or orthographic view type. Okay, and we can navigate through this in this file or this project. Okay, or enable sectioning. Okay, we can enable sectioning. Okay, we can check by this file by taking sections of the project. Okay, okay, we can adjust this plane, or also we can take the sections. Can take the section in any plane. Yeah, um, okay, like this we can check this for figure. Okay, I will disable the sectioning option. Okay, then I can go to this home tab. If this is just an architectural file, if we have different links like structural file format or MAP sections, MAP file formats, then it can be also linked to this model. Okay, for example, for sectional file format, I will also append new project. The structural upgrade structure open. It is just the structural file of this architectural building. Okay, then we can check the clashes of this two different project different files. Okay, if there is any clashes or any discrepancies or any other coordination mistake, then we can review it, we can locate it. Also we can take the pictures of that clashes or coordination mistakes. Okay, we will talk about that in next class, next section. Okay, thank you.